Initially, I started having difficulties around age 50 or so. And as time progressed, I went with the normal dental fixes with bridges, etc. I had large gaps, and not gaps, but pockets, and which was going to lead to future extractions, that type of thing, bone loss, and that was my concern. Get it right the first time, and that's important, rather than get discouraged because things don't work out. So he took the time with his expertise and made sure that everything was done correctly the first time, and which I appreciate. It gave me the confidence in him and his staff that I was in good hands. They fit like a glove, and that is priceless. It made my whole life a lot better. I smile more. I have a granddaughter that I'm really active with her, and there's nothing better than having a good smile and confident, that look at me, I changed my life,